So in this problem, we need to verify that the given sequence is a harmonic progression, and also we need to determine the nth term. Let us begin. Now, since we have a sequence here, we will begin by assuming that the first term be represented by a1, which is a plus b divided by 2a minus b. Then we have the next term, we're going to represent it by a2, so we have a plus b divided by 3a minus 4b. And then we have the third term, a3, so that's given by a plus b divided by 4a minus 7b. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll take the reciprocal of each of the terms. So let's start with 1 over a1. So this will be given by 2a minus b divided by a plus b. Then we have the second term, so we're going to take its reciprocal to get 1 over a2. So that will be 3a minus 4b divided by a plus b. And then finally, we take the reciprocal of the third term. So this will be 4a minus 7b divided by a plus b. Now let's do one thing. Let's take 1 over a2 and from it let's subtract 1 over a1. So we have 3a minus 4b divided by a plus b. And from here, we're going to subtract 2a minus b over a plus b. So this is going to give us a value a minus 3b whole divided by a plus b. Next, what we'll do, we'll take the 1 over a3 and from it, we are going to subtract 1 over a2. Now that means we have 4a minus 7b divided by a plus b minus 3a minus 4b divided by a plus b. So this will be equals to a minus 3b divided by a plus b. Now clearly we observe here that 1 over a2 minus 1 over a1, this is equals to 1 over a3 minus 1 over a2. Now so this particular condition tells us that 1 over a1 comma 1 over a2 comma 1 over a3, these three numbers are in arithmetic progression. So if they are in arithmetic progression, then their reciprocal a1 comma a2 comma a3 are going to be in harmonic progression. So we can now extend the sequence. So we can say thus a1, a2, a3, then we will have a4 dot 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 will be in harmonic progression, where a1 is defined as a plus b over 2a minus b, a2 will be a plus b over 3a minus 4b, and a3 will be a plus b over 4a minus 7b, and so on. So now that we have found out now we have verified that the given sequence is a harmonic progression. So let's try to determine its nth term. Fine. So to find out the nth term, what we'll do, we'll take the help of the arithmetic progression. So since we have already mentioned that 1 over a1, comma 1 over a2, comma 1 over a3, dot 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 are in arithmetic progression. So the nth term, so let's call it 1 over an as the nth term of the AP. This will be given by the first term 1 over a1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So the common difference will be simply d. So this is going to be the common difference a minus 3b over a plus b. So what's 1 over a1? We have already defined, so that's going to be 2a minus b divided by a plus b added to n minus 1 times the common difference. Our common difference is a minus 3b divided by a plus b. Fine. So what we'll do, we'll take 1 over a plus b as the common factor. So this will get multiplied to 2a minus b plus n minus 1 times a minus 3b. Fine. So this will be 1 over a plus b multiplied to 2a minus b plus n times a minus 3 times nb minus a plus 3b. Right? We are going to rearrange the terms. So we have 1 over a plus b multiplied to it. So 2a minus a is going to be positive a. Then we have 3b minus b, so that's going to be positive 2b. Plus, if we combine these two terms, we have n minus n multiplied to a minus 3b. Fine. So this is 1 over an. This is the nth term of the, let's write it down. This is the nth term of the arithmetic progression, but we need therefore the nth term of the harmonic progression. So that will be, we'll take the reciprocal, so that we will finally get a plus b In the numerator and the denominator, we have a plus 2b added to n times a minus 3.